lobster rolling up. Skirt. Please say it doesn't have underglow. Oh, that's good. No underglow.
There we go. I'll just chuck it like that for now, and then when he gets back, I'll move it.
This looks pretty clean. This is me.
Yeah.
What? I turned around and they like turned back to normal and then they just turned automatically. That was weird. Fucking ghost wheels.
Oh, new car. I didn't even notice that.
It's a bit of an entry.
Oh, that's a Chino, isn't it?
Oh, just fucking running in front of
rip,
you,
laser
Vicky.
fire just ran from it.
That's nice. Fucking nice wheels. I like those. Oh, I might have to vote for him.
I like how it made this meat, and Aaron isn't even fucking here. He'll come back and he's just
Oh,
gonna
there's
be like,
another one. Oh no, that's just an AI. Get
Yeah,
the
that's
fuck
AI.
out of here.
oh, don't. Run after him.
Fucking rip car.
Run after him.
Oh, it's starting to get a big meat now. I still don't understand why everyone's like on one side. They can actually go over to the other side. It's not that hard.
Yeah, I didn't park over there because I was like, no one else has done it yet. I think it just continued.
Yep. Yeah, you gotta have that one person that will break the cycle.
Rise
Jesus
above.
Christ.
I guess
I
I'm technically parked on the next lot, so I'll do it.
I'll just take up a whole space, fuck it. There's a cop that just decided to die on
Yeah,
your
say
wheel. And your wheel's back straight again. Oh, no, no.
I'm in it.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, what? It's moving. It's moving on its own. What the fuck?
Where's the next spot gonna be? Oh, just at the end of the beach actually.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, the other end of the beach where they're like the
Police cars are ramming into each other.
Wow, what's wrong with it?
Custom tires.
tires.
Bro. Massive ass dinner plate. The color's horrible. Custom interior.
What's wrong with that? You guys are so like
You can't
think it's
change
cool.
the interior on it,
clean.
can you?
Yeah, it's the custom chassis upgrade. So he's got the roll cage and all that. Morningstar's always had that.
I'm gonna go for this. I like this.
Go on the Dubster.
Really?
Yep.
I don't want to, but the Spectre is so nice.
Yeah, I'm not voting for it because he's a dick. I'm not voting for a few
Yeah.
people because they can't drive.
Oh, we've got another friend request. Please don't like join late.
Fuck it, let me just...
So that's ultimately not that bad.
No. Not my test.
Oh, dude, nah, I'm gonna have to go for this Prius.
Prius?
Prius. Oh, he hasn't even stanced it. Oh. Blood box. What?
Wait, what?
Everyone goes
I don't
for
know
the
what that
Prius.
means.
3 people.
Hell yeah, the Prius.
Generally, the fact that it's just a Prius.
Don't know how to vote.
Wow, there's 6 people on the bloody Prius.
Troll vote.
Oh, love.
2 for me.
Just in me.
How do you stand on a bike?
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Yeah, I was.
That's why I said, stand on top of the car or around the car.
Or next to the one bike?
Yeah. I wanted to be different, okay? Dick. The Prius.
like all fucked up, like all the windows are broken and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna cruise up to, where are we cruising to? 'Cause it
We're
gets
changing
fucked
cars
after a
or we
while.
just cruising?
I hate it when people like ride up my ass because then when I go to like brake, there's no brake.
Yeah, there's a couple of dudes in passive. Just right up people's asses. Still me out here. This was so- Jesus, this dude's in passive is going.
I'm
so
trying to go fast, but I gotta like turn
Whoa.
fast enough.
You're
so-
lagging.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Like my voice or in game?
No, car.
In game.
Well, I am hosting like.
There are
40
so many
people on my
passive
potato.
people just going like right through. Oh, Centennial.
Jesus, the lag.
What
Now I've got a
barrier?
bar that I can knock you over with.
Oh god,
Oh, it's slowing me down.
I'm gonna get messy.
It's wedged. It's wedged in the.
Wait, really?
Oh, I fell out.
Oh, right.
Truck cooked.
And Zach's
No.
right fucking there. Mate!
What are you
Mate!
doing?
Why are you gonna cut him like
Get that
that?
truck out of here.
Oh, motherfucker!
I didn't do that.
Worst host ever.
Fuck you. I'm getting some pretty sick angles on this trap.
It looks really, really weird.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you want. I got shorty, what you want? I got 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 nothing can stop me. I'm all the way. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you want? I got shorty, what you want? I got 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 nothing can stop me. I'm all